tiniest backup camera. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday morning. It's almost noon, but it's close. It felt like morning, but we had a little crazy last night. I'm gonna put a clip in here.
You can tell there's no big power adders or superchargers or nothing like that. I don't know, shut the fuck up. Telling yourself. I didn't know that's what y'all are out here doing. Can't race a Jeep. It's a Jeep. It does look like they have 3D screens.
And no burnout marks and nothing. Yeah, he is. Yeah. Oh, 3 of them. That's a party.
I'm confused. Did we do something wrong?
Nope.
You're not supposed to be talking to us, bitch.
Oh, is it the
Light or
flashlight?
Not flashlight.
Sorry. Get those confused.
Although I thought that was an electric fence right there. That wouldn't make such a bad idea.
We decided to go on.
Yeah, they're not even.
We have them, make sure they don't open the door.
Hey, at least I get to sit inside where it's warm.
What? We tried to do some Mexico stuff, and we were stopped by the Border Patrol.
The snozberries taste like snozberries. Oh, shit. He killed the cops! Oh, shit. Hey, don't score, man. Oh, man, this is a cop car. This is a... Hello. You boys like Mexico?
So shout out Border Patrol for finding us before anything actually happened. So they had nothing on us. They detained me off to the side because I had to backtalk like an idiot. But that was a good time. Anyways, we are back in the 2018 Ford Mustang GT. Now, a lot of you keep asking me when I'm gonna mod it. You gotta remember, today's Sunday. I literally picked up the car last Wednesday, I think. So give me some time.
No, Dave, we need mods right now.
So, I mean, I have ordered a few things, but like, they're not gonna be here yet, quite yet. So, today we're gonna do Kennedy, my girlfriend's review, if you don't know her. For those of you that are new to the channel, it's my girlfriend Kennedy, and she likes to review my cars and drive them. And I think she's driven this car as much as I have. I have not even driven it that much, because I just got it, and I've been driving my truck to work. So, she's gonna do her review of the car today, but first, like a typical white girl, what do you have to get?
Starbucks.
And then we'll get to the review. Nothing like a good old line at Starbucks. Pretty typical.
Can't wait.
What are you ordering?
Tall vanilla sweet cream cold brew.
She's obsessed with cold brews. I mean, they're good. They're good. But I'm gonna drink my my cancer-giving Bang Energy drink.
Well, doesn't everything give us cancer?
Eventually. So, Bang Energy. All right, Kennedy got her Starbucks. She's feeling good. She's ready to do this review.
Caffeine in me now. One little sip, I'm good to go.
All right, tell them what you like, what you don't like.
I love this car. I've always loved Mustangs.
Yeah, you liked Mustangs for a long time.
Yeah, but I mean, it comes with. Oh, you drive a Mustang, just like everyone else,
Crowd
you know?
killer.
Yeah, and David looks like a frat guy right now driving.
What? It's not a white convertible.
You look like a college guy right now.
Oh my god, it's just because I shaved my beard. This is a review of the Mustang, not of Dave.
I'm just saying right now, until you start modding it, then it'll be...
Yeah, it needs mods, it's stock.
Yeah. Oh. No, but I've always loved Mustangs. I've always loved two-door cars. That's... If I didn't have the Jetta, I would definitely be driving a two-door.
Okay, what do you like about this Mustang in particular?
I love the color.
Finally, someone likes the color.
I've always loved this color though, even when we have
No, we picked it out like a long time ago.
Either this one or the green one.
The green one's super cool. The Need for Speed green or whatever the heck it's called.
Yeah.
That shit's cool too. But I really like this color, especially once we mod it. But how do you like how it shifts?
I don't really notice it as much as you though, but I've never driven any other type of Mustang, like an older version.
Yeah.
So I don't know the difference between the 10-speed and
a 6-speed auto.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I don't really notice it as much as you would.
It's definitely not as smooth as the Hellcat.
No, it's definitely like the drivability, and like when you're driving the Hellcat, I mean, it feels like you're just driving. I mean, it feels like you're driving a big car, first of all, but the Hellcat is supposed to be comfortable, I guess. You have here heated seats, and it's supposed to be comfortable for your passengers, and this is more of a sports car, I would say, like the feel of it, I guess.
Yeah, it feels tighter.
Yeah, I feel more enclosed, but I like that. I like feeling smaller in cars because I feel like I have more control than compared to the Hellcat. I hated driving it because of wide turns.
Yeah, you're more in control. That's a big, heavy car. This car's like, what do we figure? I think it's like 800 pounds lighter. So
yeah, it's a big difference.
Way more narrow. It still has a long front end because that's just how these cars were. But
I'm small, so I like smaller, compacted cars. I mean, my first car was a Fiat, so if that tells you anything, I love small cars.
Fiat.
So I love it. I love the way it drives because it's a Mustang. It drives like a Mustang. You know? And it's not a standard, but it's fine. And it doesn't have a sunroof, but that's fine.
That's good. That adds weight. We don't need it.
I love sunroofs. Love them.
All right, what else do you like about this car?
I mean, you got the cheapest that you could get of the new Mustangs, and I think it looks nice in here, honestly, compared to, I mean, because we've seen what the new ones look like, and it's really, I mean, they have like the big digital screen, but you don't need that, especially if you're modding it. I don't really see the reason of needing that, so I really like the dash, and it really doesn't bother me. It doesn't look old or outdated to me.
Yeah. I mean, it is new, it's just not a premium.
Right. So.
Because we sat in a premium yesterday, and everything's the exact same. It's just leather and a big screen.
Yeah.
And some switches.
Who needs that?
Not when you're going to mod the shit out of it.
Exactly.
Just a waste of money.
No.
Okay, so how does it feel on the highway?
It feels good. I actually, when we've driven it a little bit this weekend, and it actually drives pretty smooth unless you're hitting big bumps. I mean, it drives really smooth to me. I actually really like it, and it's not too loud.
No, it's not that loud in here. It's pretty quiet for now.
For now.
I mean, it's got a good exhaust tone on the outside, but it's still pretty quiet on the inside.
Yeah.
But it cruises easily at just 70.
Yeah, and that's one thing. You feel like you're going faster than you actually are, and it didn't take me very long to hit 60 miles an hour, and it doesn't feel like I'm going that fast. Like you're like, oh crap, I'm actually going that fast.
I'm really driving that fast. All right, let's give it a little bit of gas.
Okay. So
at the 10 speed, there's definitely a lag because of how many gears there are. So the best thing to do is shift down, but we'll just let her floor it. So there it goes, shift down. See how it has to shift down?
Yeah.
Shift it down twice. It's just with the 10 speed, there's so many gears that it takes a while for it to get in the gear you're wanting it to be in. So the best thing to do is to either shift down or put it in sport mode and then shift down. But what'd you think? Super fast?
Super fast. No, I love it.
It's definitely slow from like 60 and up, but like 0 to 60 is not that bad. It's pretty quick.
It's not.
I think it's like 4 seconds or under 4 seconds. It's not bad.
Get up there quickly.
Yeah. So like she said, when you're driving around town, it definitely is like, it's pretty peppy around town, short driving stuff, but you know, on the highway, it's not very fast because it just doesn't have that much top end.
One thing
power.
I hate about this car is the blind spots suck.
Really?
Yeah, it's like when I'm looking this way to get over, it's like
They don't bother me, maybe because they're not tinted.
Yeah, well, that's
All my cars are blind spots because they're tinted so dark.
it becomes one big blind spot.
Yeah, great. Typical Mopar. Son of a.
Had new tags and everything.
All right, what else did you like about it? What do you think of the stereo for being the base model? Because this is literally the base GT stereo, so nothing special, but it's not bad.
It's really not bad. Like, all new cars nowadays, they're really, even like the base model, aren't bad. This isn't.
Yeah, the stereo is actually pretty decent for what it is. And as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, have the world's tiniest backup camera, but get that, like it still has a backup camera, which is pretty cool.
It actually has pretty good quality.
Yeah, the quality is pretty good. It's just a small camera, and it's got backup sensors, which is really nice. So see, that's the thing I hate right there. I don't think you can tell on camera, but the downshifts in this.
Yeah,
I know this isn't my review, but the downshifts are kind of obnoxious in this thing.
But you don't, I mean, as I'm driving it, I don't notice it.
Yeah, you don't notice
I don't
it.
pay attention to it as much as you would, I guess.
I'm pickier.
And I hate how slow the blinker sounds in here. I don't know why that bothers me. And I know
it's the noise.
Yeah, it's the noise. Like, it's not the normal speed.
It sounds like it's gonna die.
It sounds like it's about to die. And I know it's because of the way the blinker is set up, but it looks cool from the outside.
So you like the styling of the Mustang, you like the inside, you like the drivability for the most part. It just needs more power.
Needs more power.
A lot more power.
No, but I love it. And I think you getting this is a good way for me to start learning from a slower car with less horsepower, than going up and me learning how it feels and all the things that you can do to make it go faster than a Hellcat.
Yeah, because the Hellcat, I only took her down the track once, but you gotta remember my Hellcat was running mid-9s in shitty air. Like, it's technically a low 9-second car.
Well, it had a lot of it has a lot of horsepower.
Yeah, like you can't just start, I just can't teach her that.
Yeah, so I think it would be a cool experience for me to learn what it feels like starting from this horsepower and just going up from here on out.
Alright, let's go. So we're supposed to be going to work out, but we're going to pass the gym a little bit and let you floor it from like 20 or 30. You're golden. Pony boy. Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of felt it that time.
Okay, and we're going 100. So yeah, so it takes a while to downshift because it's the 10 speed, but it get going pretty quick there.
Oh, she gets up there. I love it.
She likes Mustangs.
Yeah. Mustang Sally over here.
Yeah, this is Mustang Sally's review of the 2018 Ford.
Starbucks. I'm like the ultimate white girl right now.
Alright guys, so that's going to conclude Kennedy's review of the Mustang. She likes it. I really like it. I think it's got cool styling, and it's a good platform to build off of. I know everyone that's a Mopar fanboy, and I'm still a Mopar fanboy. I still love Hellcats. Everyone thinks just because I told them I don't like Hellcats. Like, I love Hellcats. I just want to start with something with less horsepower and build it from the ground up instead of starting with something that already has 700 horsepower. So we're starting with something that has less than 500 horsepower, and we're going to make it a lot faster. It's going to make for a lot better content, and I like to build shit and tinker with shit all the time, and I think this will be a good platform to do that with. Engine tick included. She doesn't even notice the engine tick.
I don't.
Yeah, I don't think mine really has it. I mean, you can hear like a little bit, but I think that's more the direct injection, if you're wondering. But that's going to conclude Kennedy's review. Tons more videos, as always, to come of this car because it is new to the channel. If you are subscribed for the Ram truck, don't worry, there's plenty of videos coming on that too. Just, I need to order some parts for it. But I do have a couple videos planned for that also. But really excited with this car. I'm really happy with it so far. Kennedy likes it, which is a huge plus because, well, she drives it more than I do. And no, you can't take it back with you this weekend.
Why?
I need it for the week. So that's going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you enjoyed Kennedy's review, as it's more vague and not as biased as mine, maybe because I've driven so many damn cars. But as always, make sure you follow her on Instagram at Kennedy McCall. Follow me, Instagram and Snapchat, VamU39. And
We'll see you guys on the next one.
peace!